Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there you will see the flashlight icon, the torch icon. Now just to turn on your flashlight, tap here once on the icon, and as can you see, we just activated right now the your flashlight. And if you want to just turn it off, tap here again on the flashlight icon, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.